Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're looking at the Village Drey today. This is a beautiful part of the Village communities in Dallas, Texas, and we're doing a special video tour of actually the two-bedroom model, and it's gorgeous. This is part 3, or actually I guess part 4, because we're gonna go into this bedroom over here. We've been in this one over there. Now we're gonna go into this one over here and take a look at it. I can't wait to see it. If you have questions at any time of anything that you're seeing, or you want to set up a tour, send me a text on the number below. I can't wait to talk with you. We'll just chat and say hi, and then answer your questions about the village or about just living in Dallas. So send me a text on that number below. Okay, let's look in the bedroom. Wow, this is really cool. So you can see that they have this set up as an office. This is a beautiful space, really, really a beautiful area. And I love how this is set up. It's delightful. I love all the lights are here too. These look like they open. Oh, how cool is that? These chairs are adorable. I love these chairs, and I love this. Wow, this is a great look over here too. These cabinets. This is amazing. Love the feel here. And hey, the ceilings are about. This feels at least 10 feet, maybe more. So just love the feel here. Just gorgeous. Now, obviously there could be a bed in here and tables and dressers and things like that. So it's however you want to set this up. Let's take a look inside. So this is definitely the master bath. The master bath. Wow, dual vanities, and look at the mirrors. I love this. This is the first time I've seen actually lighting in the middle of the mirrors, and that's really cool. Definitely love the vanities, and then really pretty flooring too. And it's got a nice tub that's just kind of on its own. And I bet you, yep, right over here is the freestyle shower. You just walk in and enjoy life here. This is so big. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's massive. So it's actually 2 shower heads, a lot of space in there, and you just walk in. That's really cool. You've also got a really nice closet in here, and the closet closes off with the barn doors. Super, super nice. Man, this is so great. I love this. And then look at this bathroom. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm seeing something really cool. I've not seen that before. Look at that in the wall faucets. That's cool. I literally have never seen that. Very, very nice design. So this is right there is the bathroom area, kind of where the toilet is, but then this can be closed off so that guests can access that. Great, very clever design. Love, love, love this. Okay, so now we're walking back out. I want you to see it just from the final of seeing everything here. This looks great, and beautiful, beautiful, well done apartment, very light. Love the feel. Hey, if you have questions about what you're seeing and you just want to just get to know the area or the village, or you want to set up a tour, send me a text on the number below, and we'll say hi and just chat. Okay, so we've got a bit more to see on the village. I can't wait for you to see it, and we've got several more videos to film. So let's go see those. They're going to show up and pop up next.